Today we are taking our Mustang Rooster out for another ride in the mountains. This 4-year-old gelding sure has become a wonderful horse in the year that we've had him.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Such a good boy.
We adopted Rooster as an untouched wild Mustang 1 year ago now. He is quickly becoming the best horse I've ever owned.
Good boy, buddy.
Well, today is our last chance to take old Rooster out for probably a couple weeks. Realistically, we get to go down to Arizona with TS mules, but we're gonna be gone for a while, and Rooster doesn't get to come because they're limited on space down there.
And mules only.
Mules only. That's right. We're just taking Clyde and Reata. But tomorrow, day after tomorrow, is Rooster's first anniversary with us.
Yeah.
March 1st. Gotcha day.
Gotcha day.
So we had to take Rooster out, even though we're busy and we're leaving tomorrow, trying to get packed and get ready to leave town for a while. We're like, we gotta take Rooster out before we go.
Yeah. Smile. Pretty close. He's loose learning. He doesn't know.
One of the most useful tricks ever.
Ty would be proud. It's already shedding.
He really is, huh?
Yeah. Crazy.
Not even March.
Not.
Everyone's gonna be so pretty in about another 45 days.
Yeah. It's the time of year when you really gotta pay attention to which way the wind's blowing. His little elbow's all healed. Still try to be gentle with it. There you go, big guy. Sure, we got your whole belly nice and brushed out.
Although Rooster is mentally ready, we have taken it slow with him physically, since he is still young and growing.
Brand new fancy saddle pad. Huh. You're a brand new pad, huh? Yeah. And brand new saddle. Well, brand new. New to us anyway.
We just purchased another saddle because Rooster started getting too wide for the other one. This boy is going to be one solid guy when he is fully filled out.
Is that your new saddle? Yes. Good boy. Mm-hmm. Ready? Good boy.
The OG herd. Rooster, Clyde, and Reata.
Soon to be Mesa.
Yeah.
Josie's almost there too.
Yeah, Josie is closer than Mesa.
Yeah.
She packed elk.
Talking about how good Rooster's doing now. Just getting saddled and standing tied. He just stands there, about half asleep, with a saddle on.
Not even 4 years old.
Not even 4 yet.
Reata's not shedding quite as much as Roosty.
She always holds on to her hair longer.
Yeah, she does.
She has kind of that coarse donkey hair.
Got that donkey hair. She really holds on to it under her chin.
Yeah, she has a beard halfway through the summer.
It's so bad.
Sometimes Jason clips
Buzzed
it.
Yeah. I buzzed it, and then it looked, the hair just looked kind of weird.
It did.
I probably won't do that again, but we were going to a Buck Brandeman clinic, and she had to be looking the best possible.
Yeah. I've noticed people have started commenting and noticing Reata's cool tail. So she has a dorsal stripe that runs all the way down her back, but the cool part is it goes all the way down her tail. It's pretty neat.
It's all full of grass. She and Taz have been hanging out up in the back pasture.
Yep.
Been lounging in the old dead grass this winter. Let's see. Clean these babies out.
So cute. Good boy. Good job, Roosty. Yes, buddy, so soft. There you go. So this head stall is made for Clyde, right? This is his bozal. We'll get Rooster his own setup eventually, but they're very expensive, so we'll have to wait a little while. But anyway, so I wanted to try this new head stall. Reed made me this. I saw Pat Puckett had one similar to it, and I like it because if you get your throat latch tight, which I need to make some more slits in this, I'm just going to use it the way it is today, but it pulls this hanger away from their eyeballs, which I really like. Clyde has a much larger head than Rooster, so his little brow band's a bit poofy. So that's why I have his forelock underneath, because it looks a bit dorky with it over the top. So we're gonna go with it today. But this is for Clyde, and it'll fit Clyde really well because it's custom made for Clyde. But Clyde has a big old donkey head. He's my mule, and anyway, Rooster's head is a lot smaller than Clyde. So, but I think it'll work good today. I'm excited to use it. Do you love it? Do you love it so much? You're a goofball. All right, I'm gonna cinch him up again. Then I think we'll be about ready. How's that, buddy? That's pretty good, huh? I don't like to cut them in half, but I want to obviously tight enough that it's not going to slip over. Whoops, dropped my rein. Good boy. I always like to move them around just a little bit once I tighten it down, just to make sure they feel okay about it. Good boy. Oh, you're so good. Yes, nice job. Alrighty, We're about ready. You guys about ready? You ready, Eddie? Roosty, you looking so handsome, buddy. You looking so handsome. Good boy. Hold on, we gotta wait for them. We're just gonna chill here. Oh yeah, Reata has her fancy new snaffle. Oh Reata, you both are looking so fancy.
It's good for Rooster to learn to stand and be patient before heading out.
Boy. Oh, he's so excited. Nails. Like big nails.
That's great. That's right where we're backed up.
Today's ride needs to be on the shorter side because we have to get all packed up to head to Wickenburg, Arizona with TS Mules for the Boyd Ranch Mule Days. It's an almost 20-hour drive for us to get down there.
Yeah. Feels like a good spot to find an antelope shed. Yeah, maybe. That'd be cool.
Alright, Yeti? Having fun? It's getting warm out now. Good boy. Just walking, buddy. Nice. What a good boy you are. There you go. Good job, bud. So good. Careful.
We have been so busy that this is only Rooster's second time out in the mountains with a rider. Everything is still very new to him.
Little squirrel following us. So good for Rooster just to learn that we just come out, we walk, we don't need to trot or lope right away. We could just walk off and not be silly and maintain gait. It's so good for him. Oh, careful, bud. Good job.
We might as well hook around to the right and then loop back. We'll go over to where those cottonwoods are in the creek. Yeah.
We're going to cross a creek to get Rooster some exposure to water crossings with a rider. Crossing a creek is a simple thing, but it can be very scary to some equines, especially when they are young or inexperienced.
Yes, here. He just drifts to the left. Like, no matter where we go, he just drifts to the left.
Yeah, that's funny.
Good boy. Come on, Squirrely. He's like, oh, we got it. Oh, we got it. Oh, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Not even any silliness. Good job. Oh, I can feel the water.
Yeah.
I feel like there's water in there.
This creek has a lot of tall sage and some ice shelves at the edge, so Reata crosses in front of us to help Rooster build his confidence.
So good. There's water crossing.
Oh.
Now can we go through the whole stage? Oh, and oh, this is a lot, huh? Good job. Oh, and now muddy little creek. Yeah, somehow it's really done. Good job, buddy. Oh, you're so good.
That was
Wow,
awesome.
That was awesome. You did so good. Good job. Stop for a sec. There you go. Good job. That was a lot, huh? Ice and water and yeah, mud. Good job, buddy. What a good little mountain horse. Now we gotta cross it again though. Now we're on the wrong side.
That was great.
That was super good.
The tall brush, mud, and snowpack, all of it is new to Rooster while he's under saddle. We're going to head for the creek and see if he will cross first. There is a big ice ledge that's a little scary for him. The main thing is we want to build his confidence and get him to willingly cross the creek.
You want me to go first?
Reata leading helps him out. We have plenty of time to get him more experience crossing creeks this summer.
Nice, okay.
Oh boy. Good job. There you go.
was so good. That was kind of stressful for a second, huh? It's tight down in there, across the water. The dogs were on each side of you. There was brush poking you. It was a lot for you. You handled it well, buddy. It did go good. Huh, Yeti.
With the dogs, brush, the creek, Rooster could have gotten tight and worried and decided to react negatively. But he handled it all really well and kept his cool. He is turning out to be such a great little horse, and I can't wait for all of our adventures in the coming year.